Do you want to know 5 amazing shortcut keys that you are not using? Let's start. First one. Starting and exiting narrator. Have you ever noticed that there is a narrator in computers with Windows operating system? If you need to know, just try this. Press Windows key plus Control plus U.
Starting narrator, start, button, type here to search, button, start listening, button, Microsoft Edge.
If you need to
File
exit that,
Explorer,
then press the same key
Windows,
itself.
Windows, Control, U, exiting narrator.
Second one. To minimize all the apps from the Windows. If you have too many apps open and you want to minimize all that apps together, just press Windows key plus M. Okay. Third one. To create a virtual desktop. If you want a new clean desktop, then press Windows key plus Control plus D. Okay. Fourth one. To open the previous desktop. You will think that, where is all that precious work which I done earlier? Is it gone forever? Don't worry, it's just hiding. You can get that previous desktop just by pressing Windows key plus Control plus left arrow. And if you need that virtual desktop again, then press Windows key plus Control plus right arrow. Fifth one. To open File Explorer. If you want to open File Explorer, then just press Windows key plus E or Windows key plus 2.